الحق will start the last over. Down the ground, has he got 6 runs? I think he has. That's a good shot.
Hazy.
That's a nice response. Shorter delivery. Just got something on that, but not enough.
But great bowling. Bowled into the pitch. It's a very effective ball. Even 2 balls remaining in this innings.
Still going too.
Played 3, losing 3.
Losing 3 by some distance, really. Think about it. Full toss, straight to the man, deep backward square. Tuskers losing those couple at very tight, which has been great. Bottom edge, down the fine leg. And that is going to be the end. Teams that did get a run. Good stuff from the Tuskers. They knew they had to fight and fight really well today. Naveen Ulhaq. You can see that Amir is still upset. Game is over now, boys. Tuskers have won. You can chill a little bit now because they've done a really good job, but I think this is going to go on for some time. This one, we might see round 2 at some stage. Oh, here we go. Standing his ground.
Win by 25, the Candy Tuskers. They're off the mark. Good performance. And an even better ending with the smiles coming out. Well, Afریدي, he's going to have to show up and try and take his team through.
Afridi's having a go. He wants to know what's going on. What are you doing with my bloke there?
The interesting thing that would have
scored to defend.
The senior pro letting him know exactly what he feels about things.
But look at Afridi's expressions changing from each person. The smile. Munaf Patel did his bit, opening the bowling and 3 overs in the power play, picking up